Guys,
Hello, sir.
how are you all?
I'm
Yeah,
fine.
fine.
What about you?
Okay, I'm also good. Today I'm going to discuss about a topic that is a early bird or night out.
I would like to choose night owl.
Yeah, me too. I will speak favor of the night out as well.
So we both will be favor on early bird.
Okay, very first we would like to listen your point of views. Why do you think that early bird is far better than late night?
Okay, first I would like to tell you something about that. My first point is that if you are doing whatever you want to do as a work or study, if you are doing it at early in the morning, so it would be more good. Actually, at the morning time, we would have a fresh mind, and with the fresh mind, you may do lot of things, and you would enjoy that thing. There would not be any pressure, all that. Whatever is that is whether it's your study or it's your work. And second thing is that the scientific reason is also behind that if you are going to do study at morning time, so it would be like a long term memory. So I would say that those are the reason also, and there are also lot of things. Like a third thing is that you may manage your day. If you are wake up early in the morning, so you would have lot of times to manage your study, your domestic work, because every person has lot of work to do in their daily schedule. So you may manage your daily schedule also.
Okay, in my point of view, I think that the person who is studying in the morning, instead of doing study, the morning time is, as you said, that it's very fresh mind. So instead of doing study in the morning, we must go for any kind of exercise. We must go for any kind of the work. And in the morning, there's lots of the distraction as well. Like our parents also get up early in the morning. They do domestical work as well. And here I would like to also take my some point of views how is late night is well. So in the late night there is a peaceful, no one is there is no distraction, anything, you are alone with yourself, so you can do study better.
So first thing that I want to tell about the ill effects of the late night studies is, suppose if you have a work in the day, so then you are get exhausted in the day. So after that you went to study in the night. So at that time you have very low energy and you will get sleepy. So when you are exhausted in the day, so how can you study in the night properly? So that's the point.
I have already managed in person the night owl person. So he has complete sleep in a day. So not matter in a night you lost your energy. In a day also the disturbance like your family and your background like the cells.
Okay, if you are saying that, yeah, you may take sleep at a day. So I would say that it would not be good for you. But first thing is that your parents would not allow you to do that work in day, because it's a work for night. As if you want to do, if you want to take sleep, so you should go for night, not in day.
But many person also complete sleep in a day. So not matter your night owl or evening your study. Only the matter your focus in study.
Actually, that's why we are saying that you would be more dedicated if you are doing your study and works at evening time or in the morning time. Sorry, it was before my time.
I don't think that in the morning time we are much dedicated for the doing study. As I already told you, in the morning there's a fresh air, there's a fresh mind. Instead of doing study in the morning, we should go for a exercise, we should go for some sport things. By the doing that we can improve our health. But in the night there's very peaceful, there's no distraction. And if you are talking about the sleepy, like we feel sleep like, so it's depend on the person to person. If you can complete your sleep in the day, so you can study whole night as well. And it's also beneficial for you, you can remember things for long if you are studying in the night as well.
As you are saying, we will study the whole night, and then in the day we will go for exercise and fresh air. So when is the time for sleep? When will you go to sleep? As you say, human body needs around 8 hours of sleep, so there is no time of sleeping. And in the day when you are sleeping, your parents will see that you are studying in the full night. Okay, that's okay. But in the day you also have work, you should help your parents in their chores, and you have also your time, you have to go to your colleges or schools or your works. So when you are going to do them, you going to do them in the night?
He has not say you do exercise in a whole day.
Okay.
And second point, you do like a parents. Your parents in a study, I think the all parents not disturbance in a student.
Don't you think so that they create lot of disturbance in your study? Like if you are studying at night, so there would not be disturbance, but there would be sleep. You would not be that much
You
energetic.
complete
You would be not be able to do proper study. Then you would take a little amount of study that you are taking gaps of sleep.
no, but first of all you complete your sleep in a day, so not need
Actually,
sleep
ma'am,
in a
there
night.
are lot of work for a person in a day that they have to go schools and colleges.
So
They
that's
have
why disturbance in a day in a study.
actually early morning. We are talking about early birds. So in early morning, so
In
it's not there would not be that much disturbance as you are thinking. As you are saying that as Wasif was saying that our parents wake up early in the mornings also. So they would not create any disturbance. They would do their domestical work, and you would have your own room. So you can who can disturb you? And you would say to your parents that I am studying.
the every parents wants his children to do a help in domestic work.
Actually, there's a day you may do that. If you are saying that, yeah, I would take sleep in day and then I would do study at night. So it would not be that much good. Your parents would think that, yeah, he's always taking sleep at night also and a
But
day also.
your parents know now you how much study you in a day and night.
Actually, in a day, how actually you hardly you may take the rest in a day.
So let's forget about the parents. The thing that I want to ask you is whatever you want to achieve in your life, you need a consistency and regularity.
Yeah.
So let's say if you are studying in the night. So I have studied in the night. So in the night when I have work in my school colleges. So how can I do that? That's my sleep time, and I am going to school or colleges.
But your school course is not on is every whole day.
So that's the thing I am saying that you need consistency and regularity. You have to follow the same path daily.
Okay, here I would
And in
like
one
to
day you are sleeping and in other day you are going to school. So how is there
How it
same
would
thing?
work?
so
How would it work?
here I would like to mention. I think who told you about let's study whole night. I
Okay.
didn't say that
Actually,
till the morning we do study complete night. We study for 5 hours or 6 hours in the night. So after it we can sleep in the morning like 4 o'clock to morning 7 o'clock. That's enough, and that is very peaceful. That is very good sleep in the morning sleep,
So you think 3 hours sleep is enough for the human body?
and we can sleep as well in the day also,
At what time in the day?
like in the noon.
in a
Okay.
noon we would
That's
be
enough. So according to me, there's a one thing is that in the morning we cannot do study as you said that early bird is good. So how much time we can study? How much time we can give in the morning? Hardly 3 hour, 4 hour, not maximum it. But in the late night we can give a 6 hour, 7 hours as well. But in the morning you have to do exercise as well. You have to like if you want to go college, if you want to go any of the coaching, so you have to prepare yourself as well. You have to fresh. You have to there lots of the thing in the morning. Hardly you can study 3 hours, maximum 4 hours, not more than it.
Like as you are saying that we can sleep in from 6 to 9 hours and from in the evening. So you think human body is capable of that? Consider yourself. Do you think you can study whole night and then sleep 6 to 9 and then in the evening? Have you done that before? And there's no time for exercise then if you are studying from 6 to sleeping from 6 to 9 and then going to college. When you will going to exercise after coming there?
In the evening, we can
Yeah,
do
in the
exercise,
evening you
running in
are.
the evening. I didn't say that we start our studying from 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock.
actually
We can start our study from like 8 o'clock to till at the night 2 o'clock or
okay,
sometimes 3 o'clock. Then we can sleep.
okay, brother. As you
That
are saying that you can do workout at evening time. So do you know that how much calories it's burned if you are doing workout? You would be tired and you would not be able to do study at night. As you are saying that
In
you
my
would be that much tired, you would not be able to stand for a while.
in my point of view, student only the matter is study, not exercise and like these things. Because first of all, you achieve your dream, and after that you do like these things.
If you would not be healthy, so how can you? What is the mean to achieve your
So
goal?
you mean the every person go in a gym and like do a exercise, so is fit?
Yeah, definitely he would be fit if
No,
he is going for running. So it would be good.
many person I'm also seen he do exercise and he is not fit. So how
He's
can
not.
you say? Yeah, of
They are
course.
doing to get fit.
No, this
That
is
is the
no,
thing.
no, I'm not agree with you.
Okay,
And
now I
second,
think we are
and
distracted. Now you are talking about something else.
yeah, okay,
So let's back to our topic.
yeah, okay. Second point, and not matter night owl. Only the matter your discipline, how to follow the discipline in your study. Because in my point of view, you like in a evening time, you set a timer in your mobile. But in a now I'm also seen many students set a timer in a mobile, and after in a morning time the timer is ringing, but he sleep, and he think that person also sleep, and he get a achieve dream. So that's
Okay,
why.
there is just one thing. If you would sleep at later night, so definitely you would not be able to wake up early in the morning. If you would take a good sleep and early sleep, if you would sleep earlier at night, so there's a way to wake up early in the morning. That's a simple reason. You do not require any alarm.
Yeah.
So think about it.
Let's take from the earlier times when you were a kid. What's your routine was? You used to get up in the morning at 6 or 7, then you go to school, and in the evening you used to, if it's depend on you, you are working out or not, then you are sleeping in at 8, 9 or 10 o'clock. So what's the problem in that routine? I am asking is.
Actually, at that time we were not as much mature. We were not have as much responsibility. Now we are mature enough. We have to study hard as well. At that time when we were kid, when we were we going to school, so we have to do only homework a little bit. But now we have to do hard work study. We have to give much time to study.
So can we come to a conclusion that if you are early bird or if you are an late owl, you can take your some time from the early mornings or in the late nights if you have to do something more hard work.
Okay.
So can it be a conclusion?
Yeah. We can. Let's finish it here. That's